Yasin Bhatkal and 4 other Indian Mujahideen operatives who have been convicted in the Hyderabad 2013 blast case have been sentenced to death by a lower court. That has to be confirmed by the higher court, and proceedings will possibly go all the way up to the Supreme Court. But 5 of the Indian Mujahideen convicts have been sentenced to death by hanging by a lower court in Hyderabad today.
पांचों जिनके ऊपर सब सेक्शन में मर्डर के लिए ट्रीजन के लिए टेररिस्ट एक्ट के लिए जो कन्विक्शन दिया है उसके सब पांचों को फांसी की सजा दी गई है और ये फांसी कंफर्मेशन के लिए रिकॉर्ड हाईकोर्ट जाएगा और अदालत वही कहा कि सबको फांसी दी गई है. दी कोर्ट हैज फाउंड दैट दिस केस स्पेशली ऑन द फैक्ट्स एंड सर्कमस्टांसेस इट फॉल्स विद इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर केसेस.
Uma Sudhir is in Hyderabad. Uma, but the case would go obviously to higher courts.
Yes, the defense lawyer, in fact, in the morning itself had said that he is going to High Court. He already has the permission, or rather the statement from the family saying that they will appeal in the High Court, and therefore now this case is all set to go to the High Court. And the conviction that has come today, as the public prosecutor was mentioning, is the rarest of rare cases. I must point out that this incident that took place on the 21st of February 2013 at around 7 p.m. In fact, these twin blasts had taken place, and 18 people in fact had died, including an unborn baby, a 7-month-old baby in the womb, who was considered as a full life by the judge, and that's the reason why 18 lives, it is being said, were lost. 131 people were injured in this particular case. In fact, the main accused in this particular case, Riaz Bhatkal, who is one of the founding members of the Indian Mujahideen, in fact, has been absconding, and the NIA believes that he is in fact in Pakistan, and an international red corner notice has been issued for his arrest. The other 5 in this particular case, A2 to A6, which we are talking about, that includes Yasin Bhatkal, younger brother of Riaz Bhatkal. All of them have now been sentenced to death. The Riaz Bhatkal and Ahmad Siddappa Zarar, who is also called Ahmad Siddappa Zarar, and Asadullah Akhtar, in fact, were arrested by the NIA on the Indo-Nepal border in August 2013. Tehseen Akhtar of Bihar and Ziaur Rahman from Pakistan were arrested from Rajasthan in March 2014, and another person, Aijaz Sheikh, was arrested from Pune in Maharashtra. So we are talking about a person from UP, Pakistan, Karnataka, 2 people from Karnataka, Maharashtra, all of them coming together to conspire to carry out this very deadly terror attack, for which the death penalty has now been given.